Now, many of the instances where the police is um, removing people from this world are they are the result of what is called targeted operations, which means that they have information, whether regardless of what that information is. If you can find people, one would expect that the police would be doing everything possible to take them into custody. Now, again, as I said, targeted operations, the police routinely assert that from these targeted operations that the suspects engage them in lethal confrontation. And so, with the absence of independent, verifiable visual evidence, these raids becomes deeply problematic. Body worn cameras is not about micromanaging the